There's Larry. Got his tractor stuck. Let's see, there's my truck up there. And I've got to pull him out. This ought to be fun. Hey Larry, smile, you're on candid camera.